Previous technologies have introduced various concepts that can be associated with today's use of the internet, smartphones or tablets. TM has been mandated by the government of Malaysia as an impetus to the development of the technology in the country. TM had already been connecting people through its basic telephone services. Dial-up access system later introduced at the speed of 20 and 50 kilobits per second, where users could access their email, online chat and web surfing. With ADSL2+, TM managed to provide the speed from 1 and 8 megabits per second that turned over users' experience with Streamix, resulting in access to email, web surfing, voice chat and video streaming becoming much faster. In 2010, the HSBB1 was announced to occur in stages and divided into 3 zones with high economic impact areas. TM introduced its brand new technology, the VDSL2, in upgrading its services, besides intensifying competition within the broadband sphere. VDSL2 provides a better speed rate between 5 and 20 megabits per second and supports the TM's bundle triple play service. What's next? TM sets off once again to a public-private pact with the government to deploy the access and domestic core networks in delivering an end-to-end HSBB infrastructure under the HSBB2 and SUBB projects. TM R&D is conducting all the research and development aspects to support HSBB2 and SUBB initiatives through the GFAST-B project. TM R&D has always been moving forward to explore new technology in line with its vision to become the leading force in the market through research, development and innovation in the ICT industry. The teams are now on the ground conducting research to upgrade its existing broadband speed by experimenting the VDSL2 technology for better performance. By adding the vectoring technology, this can make a difference by turbocharging the speed from 50 megabits per second up to its maximum of 100 megabits per second. It is a noise-cancelling technology as it would only reach its maximum when the noise among the line in a cable is reduced through crosstalk cancellation. And now, the TM R&D Vectoring Lab Management Team has been mobilized to gather real-time data and setting up systems based on TM copper network condition. GFAST is the groundbreaking technology designed to foster affordability, cost-effective, high-speed accessible broadband. This breakthrough will pave the way for the connectivity rate to boost up to a whopping 1 gigabit per second and enable users to experience 4K video streaming in Ultra HD. It breaks down the barrier by introducing the use of existing copper infrastructure that moves the connections from the distribution points located closer to the home, with performance targets between 200 megabits per second and 900 megabits per second. TM R&D teams are now on the ground, conducting research on baseband algorithm and channel modeling while experimenting a series of tests through GFAST Lab Management Study. In 2014, TM R&D forged a pact through an MOU signing aimed to launch joint innovation efforts to improve next-generation access technologies. The understanding will see Huawei and TM R&D join forces in conducting research to provide better solutions for Malaysia's fixed and broadband landscapes. The evolution of the connectivity rate has been constantly increasing from 1 megabit per second from when it was first introduced in recent decades to 1 gigabit per second towards the future. These efforts to achieve high-speed ultra-broadband goal resulted from, among others, TM's vision in offering a better broadband solution to the people.